Hello, it's Duncan from Nature Connection Guide. I'm here in Shelburne, Vermont, my hometown. I grew up right down there, right on the lake. And I grew up with this very same view. It's so special to me, and it's such an honor and a pleasure to be offering a nature mindfulness walk right here. I'm co-hosting it with All Souls Interfaith gathering, and this nature mindfulness walk is based on Shinrin-yoku, which is translated as forest bathing, and it's essentially connecting to nature through all of your senses. So right now I can feel the warmth of the sun on my face. So it's really about slowing down and in a mindful way. So something we would do, perhaps we could all stand here and we could look out onto this landscape, and we can use our vision and look at the things that are furthest away and really put ourselves there, way away. So it's not very often you get to slow down and spend a good amount of time just being there in your surroundings and observing through your senses. So this would be a really wonderful opportunity for you to experience that. It's on February 17th on Saturday, and it's a love and nature walk. So please do join me. It'd be my honor to see you there. I'm going to take a nice slow walk, and I'll leave you with this amazing view. Thank you.